Deep within the human brain lies a small yet profoundly mysterious organ, the pineal gland. This tiny pea-shaped endocrine structure has captivated the imagination of philosophers, mystics, and scientists alike. While modern science recognizes its role in regulating circadian rhythms through melatonin production, ancient wisdom speaks of something far more profound. Throughout history, the pineal gland has been revered as the seat of the soul, the third eye, and a gateway to higher consciousness. The question arises, could this enigmatic gland truly be a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical realms? The reverence for the pineal gland dates back to antiquity. In the sacred temples of ancient Egypt, initiates were guided through rites of spiritual awakening, with depictions of the Eye of Horus mirroring the very structure of this organ. The Egyptians understood that perception was not merely a function of the eyes, but of an inner vision, a doorway to expanded awareness. Similarly, in Hindu traditions, the concept of the Ajna chakra, the third eye chakra, corresponds to deep intuition, inner wisdom, and enlightenment. Yogic teachings describe this energy center as the key to transcending ordinary perception and accessing divine knowledge. In addition to these traditions, the pineal gland has been referenced in various cultural and mythological frameworks. The Taoist tradition speaks of the crystal palace, a sacred center in the brain associated with higher wisdom, and indigenous American shamans refer to the opening of the inner eye as a passage to spiritual realms. Tibetan Buddhism incorporates the concept of the Eye of Wisdom, a center of insight that leads to enlightenment. Such global parallels suggest that knowledge of this mysterious gland and its potential has been shared across civilizations for thousands of years. The ancient Greeks, too, acknowledged the existence of an inner faculty of perception beyond the five senses. Plato spoke of the idea that true knowledge comes from within, not from the material world, alluding to the idea of inner sight or divine insight. The mystery schools of ancient Greece and Rome often emphasize the importance of awakening this hidden potential within the human mind, guiding initiates through sacred rituals designed to unlock higher states of consciousness. These initiatory practices mirror the meditative and breathwork techniques used in modern spiritual traditions to activate the pineal gland. In ancient Mesoamerican cultures, such as the Mayans and Aztecs, references to inner vision and connection to cosmic energies appear in their myths and spiritual practices. Many of their ceremonial temples were aligned with celestial movements, reinforcing their belief that human consciousness was intrinsically linked to the cosmos. Shamans in these cultures would often enter altered states through meditation, fasting, and sacred plant medicines, all aimed at enhancing their spiritual sight, which many associate with pineal activation. René Descartes, the philosopher and mathematician, famously proclaimed the pineal gland as the seat of the soul, suggesting that it serves as the interface between the material body and the immaterial mind. This idea resonates with the mystical traditions of many ancient cultures, which believe that the activation of the pineal gland is essential for achieving spiritual transcendence. In such teachings, an awakened pineal gland is the gateway to profound inner peace, heightened perception, and an expanded sense of being. Those who have tapped into its potential often report experiences of mystical insight, spontaneous visions, and a sense of unity with the cosmos. But if the pineal gland holds such extraordinary potential, why do so few people experience its true power? Some suggest that modern lifestyles and environmental factors have contributed to the suppression of this gland. Exposure to fluoride, artificial light, and heavy metals has been linked to its calcification, a process that may dull its function. In response, many spiritual seekers have dedicated themselves to purifying and activating the pineal gland through intentional practices. The journey of pineal activation is one of transformation and self-discovery. Meditation is one of the most powerful methods for stimulating this inner eye. By focusing awareness on the center of the forehead and visualizing an illuminating light, practitioners can gradually awaken dormant faculties of perception. Deep states of meditation, particularly those associated with mindfulness and visualization, can facilitate heightened awareness and an enhanced connection to the higher self. Some advanced meditation practices even involve chanting specific mantras, such as Om, which is believed to stimulate the vibrational resonance of the pineal gland. Ancient sun-gazing techniques, practiced at sunrise and sunset, are believed to energize the pineal gland, restoring its natural function. Many ancient cultures, from the Mayans to the Hindus, honored the sun as a divine source of wisdom, recognizing its role in awakening dormant energies within. The practice of exposing oneself to natural sunlight, particularly in the early hours of the day, can harmonize the body's rhythms and stimulate the gland. In addition, lunar gazing, practiced by some mystics, is believed to attune the mind to deeper intuitive faculties, complementing sun gazing by balancing the masculine and feminine energies within the self. Sound also plays a significant role in pineal activation. Certain frequencies, such as the 963 Hz solfeggio frequency, are said to resonate with the gland, stimulating its function and facilitating altered states of consciousness. Sound healing techniques, including binaural beats and chanting, can create an environment conducive to spiritual awakening. The rhythmic drumming of shamans, the ringing of Tibetan singing bowls, and the Gregorian chants of medieval monks all point to the power of sound in unlocking higher states of awareness. Nutrition, too, is a vital factor in maintaining pineal health. A diet rich in raw cacao, apple cider vinegar, chlorophyll, and iodine is believed to support the gland's function, while the elimination of fluoride and toxins from drinking water may aid in decalcification. Many who embark on a pineal detoxification journey report clearer thinking, vivid dreams, and a deeper sense of inner knowing. Herbs such as mugwort, gotu kola, and blue lotus have been used by various traditions to enhance dream clarity and open pathways to higher consciousness. Breathwork, particularly the ancient practice of Kundalini yoga, is another powerful technique for awakening this sacred gland. Through rhythmic breathing and energy channeling exercises, practitioners can direct life force energy toward the pineal region, activating its latent capabilities. The breath, in many traditions, is seen as the key to unlocking spiritual ascension and higher states of awareness. Some advanced techniques, such as the Wim Hof method or holotropic breathwork, are believed to create shifts in consciousness, further stimulating the gland's function. The pineal gland, long shrouded in mystery, holds the potential to transform our understanding of human consciousness. As the convergence of science and spirituality continues, we are beginning to uncover the immense power contained within this small yet extraordinary organ. Could it be that the wisdom of the ancients was right all along? That within each of us lies an untapped potential, a gateway to enlightenment waiting to be opened? As more people seek to reconnect with their higher selves, the activation of the pineal gland may serve as a beacon, guiding humanity toward a more awakened, interconnected existence. In the end, the true power of the pineal gland is not merely in what it does, but in what it represents. A reminder that beyond the material world lies a vast, uncharted realm of infinite possibility. The question is not whether such realms exist, but whether we are ready to see them. For those who embark on this journey, the rewards are nothing short of profound. A deeper understanding of the self, a connection to the universe, and the realization that within each of us lies the key to awakening.